So y'all, I'm filming content. Look at me. Look at me. I'm filming content for Miss Frayser. And I need a sign that say this the new Frayser library. I wonder how heavy this is. Content day.
Calling in my favors if you love me, gon' push me. Said I'm calling in my favors if you support me, then book me. Look, I'm calling in my favors, friend, gon' share my shit. Said I'm calling in my favors if you with me, show that shit.
Getting ready to do my 5th commercial here, I think. I'm just about to put my little shirt on. Alyssa went to the restroom before we go downstairs on the stage and shoot for the last one. I'm just rocking out my shirt. I can't get this tag off, so we ain't gonna even talk about that. Miss Frayser. Yes, Miss Frayser. Hello. Give me one of these.
Thank you, Miss Frayser. Okay. Good. Thank you, Miss Frayser.
You're welcome. The same way. I'm trying to get better and making sure y'all capture stuff. How they look from the front? You like the bone? Like piece of bone or just like a slightly? Oh, they look a little soft. But the crown gonna be on too. And if I can get some of these curly pieces hang out, that could be cool. They always are. She want to crown me. Look at her, y'all. She's up on me. I thought about bringing my friend. That's too much. People not gonna take it serious. Are you putting on my head or? Probably got too tall. You taller than me. You got on heels. Thank you.
So y'all, I'm filming content. Look at me. Look at me. I'm filming content for Miss Frayser. And I need a sign that say this the new Frayser library. I wonder how heavy this is. They gonna be like, it's kind of heavy. Yeah.
That's mud.
They gonna be like, why is this girl up here? I think we could sit it up on one of the things ourselves.
We could totally set it up.
Oh, it's muddy. That's what you just said. But yeah, if we put the sign like right here and you stand down there and catch the shot,
Yeah.
what you think?
I think that's the move.
They gonna be like, girl, oh, you ain't got the pocket to sit that nowhere.
No.
I love my gadgets. Y'all is sitting on the pole. Ha 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 ha. Okay, we're gonna sit it there. Is it one that's not muddy? No, they all muddy. This gonna be the best one. Be careful, don't cut yourself on these.
Yeah.
Just pick it up like a what you call. Come off of there. Get on the grass. All right, swing. You go back behind me. The things we do for the freaking content. It's crazy. Cause I am psychotic. I'm that girl. Okay, all right, bye. Content day. Hey y'all. Why is my thing? There we go. Oh, that heating. We're home. I'm not gonna put all of this stuff up. Take everything out of it. Let's see out, guys. So, baby, I put my electronics back ass to the AP. Put y'all on charge. Yeah, I'm on charge.
I tell them that I'm bossy and cocky. I want foreigns like a Audi, like my new whip, yeah, he